After that, we first check the machine accessories and main body. There's a white sticker on this panel. This is the registration code. We will take a photo of this registration code and send it to the after sales group first. That technology will give you a registration code. To register an account, you must first take a picture of this code and send it to the group. After that, proceed to the subsequent installation and electronic operation. First, the body of the machine. Then the main body is placed with the front of the fixed pen facing ourselves as a positive placement. After placing it, we check the two screws on the left and right of the machine to fix the mirror. Okay, next is a cushion that fits for splice tray, mirror data cable, power cord. After checking, we will install it. First, we unscrew these two screws. After removing, we took out our cushions that fit a 4. Take out the mat and notice that the notch is aligned with the lower left corner of the left side. So we took it in from above to smooth it out. Note that the notch is aligned with a hole in the left base, and if you flatten it, look up. And we can see here that there are two bars. The mats should be aligned. The gears on the left and right sides must be that we put the mat on first, align well later. And then we're going to pick up the mirror. You can see that there are two holes on the left and right sides. Align the two holes of the screw just now. After the mat is ready, we will install the mirror, align well, and we will screw on the left and right screws. After the two screws of the water purifier are tightened, you can see that the water purifier has pressed this cushion. So we must put the mat in place first. Then install the water purifier. Screw these two screws well. After screwing it, we can see that there are two interface cables on the left. There is a 6-hole position. There is a 4-hole position. First, we find the 6 of the 6 holes. Plug it into the motor interface above. You can see this interface. There is a gap in this position. There are 2 strips on this interface line. We plug it in with the notch corresponding to the strip. Okay, let's take out the 4 interfaces next. You can see this location. This location also has an interface. There are 2 card slots. There are also 2 strips on the strip-shaped interface line. We plug it in accordingly. It has to be plugged in. Insert the left side tightly. After plugging it in, let's go back and forth to the right. So here we see the little screen on the right. This is called a small screen. A small screen. The right side of the screen, there's a data interface cable. There's also a small interface cable. We take out the side line on the right, and there are 2 card strips corresponding to the gap. We plug it in. Be sure to plug it tightly into place. After plugging it in, there's another interface. So we pull out our cables. This is the printing interface. This is the USB port for plugging into the computer. Let's take out the print interface first. Plug it in the corresponding position. Plug it in tightly. Use the other end of the data cable. We'll plug it into the computer. Okay? And this time, the wires are in. Next, the tray. Let's see how this pickup plate is loaded. We place the main body of the machine at a certain distance from the edge of the table. After a certain distance, we took out the tray. You can see there are 3 short hooks here. We bring it here, come down here, then hook the edge on the inside of the machine. As you can see, so the splice plate is on. So back to the mirror. You can see that the mirror has 2 holes. These 2 holes are on this tray. We took out skim trays. A light skim plate has 2 sides. One side is smooth and the other is rough. So we took the rough, smooth side up and we stuffed it into these 2 holes. What about the main body of the good machine? So it's installed. Now we're going to plug it in. We pull out the power cord. There are 2 ends, and this end must be the socket. This one is directly plugged into the socket and has a round hole at the other end. We plug in the machine. This interface cable can be seen below. colored round hole power cord. The round end is inserted into the machine. There is a round black hole below this. We plug it in accordingly. Okay, plug it in. Then the other end of the power cord, just plug it into the socket. After plugging in the machine, we installed it as a whole. After the machine is installed, how do we put the paper and advance the first sheet of paper? We took out our neat sheets of paper. We shove it between these two wheels. You can take a look, tucked directly between these two wheels. After stuffing it in, we click a change button on the small screen. Let's click on it. Be sure to click the paper change button on this small screen before writing. Enter the first sheet of paper. In this way, the first piece of paper can come in normally and come in place. We took out the stationary pen. Now let's talk about the stationary pen. We take out our pens. After unscrewing this screw, you can see there's a slot underneath. There's a card slot on it. We put the pen vertically in the nib. The nib is about 3 to 5 millimeters away from the paper. It can't be next to the paper. The nib needs to leave the paper. Then we tighten the screws. After the screws are tightened, the pen is fixed. Once it's fixed, we can swing left and right, push up and down. Machine pen. Generally, the pen of our machine is at the position of the dot in the upper left corner. We are pushing the pen of the machine up to the left in these positions. Then we can proceed to operate on the software.